Hi everyone, let me show you how to get to Image Magic Printing. Image Magic Printing is located inside the Wisma Causeway building in Jalan Raja Chulalongkorn, Lumpur. Your nearest landmark is the Pavilion KL, and you will need to find the nearest exit to the Wisma Causeway building. Just follow this stairs and you will find the first entrance of the building. Another entrance you can use, which is by the Novotel KL City Center, and by crossing this road, it will lead you directly towards the elevator. Now, let me show you the way to our office from the first entrance of this building. Let's go! Another way you can reach to our office was by using the escalator. Just follow the escalator up until the third floor, and when you reach there, you will directly see our office on your right side.